Next, we will convert this simple product into a variable product. By variable product, we mean a product which asks the users to select a, a category before they check out or add the product to the cart. For example, in this case, we have got three colors of the t-shirts. One is gray, one is pink, and the other is blue. Now, we need to know that which order needs to be sent, the red t-shirt and the blue t-shirt and the gray t-shirt. So definitely this is one of the most important features when we talk about the e-commerce website. So what I'll do is I'll just edit this product and I'll just change it to a variable product. I'll just select variable product in this case. Now, as soon as I select the variable product, I will not see any pricing in here. The pricing has gone. When I select a simple product, I can see the regular price, the sale price, and the discount sale, etc. But as soon as I switch to a variable product, I'm not seeing the pricing tab in here. That is because the pricing will come under attributes, and each of these attributes will have a different pricing. Okay, like for example, blue, red, gray are the attributes which are there. And now I have to select used for variable variations. So mainly these attributes will be used to set the variations of the product. Mainly here what we are doing is we are creating different variations of the same product. That is, the same product is being offered in three different colors, and which color is the customer looking for. I've just checked this option used for variation, and now I'll click on save attributes. When I do that, I can see the variation tab here. I can click on the variation tab, and here create variations from all the attributes. Now I can select, I can create a variation from all the attributes that are there. Are you sure you want to link all variations? This will create a new variation for each and every position possible combination of the variation attributes. Maximum 50 per run. Okay. So I'll just select OK, and the three variations have been added. So the variation number 47 is blue, 48 is gray, and other is red. Now we can just click on this drop down arrow which is there. We can give each of them a SKU, the variable price, and a sale price as well. So variation price can be given. So I can give the variation of blue can be given, let's say 2000 rupees, and the sale price is 900 rupees. Here we can give all the descriptions as well. If we want to, we can do that. Secondly, for gray, we will give a separate price so that you are aware that what is exactly happening here. I've given the regular price of 1200 for the gray color t-shirt, and 800 is a sale price or discount price. And similarly for red, since we will just give it 2300, we'll give it a higher price, and I'll set it to, let's say, 1000 rupees. Now I can just click on save changes. Next, I'll just go and update this specific product. And now that I've updated and I refresh it in here, I'll be able to see the color options as well. So the add to cart has been disabled till the time I select one of the colors. For example, if I select blue, then it shows me a price that it is of 2000 rupees, but the price has been crossed and it's 900 rupees. Then for gray, it's again showing the price that we set. Red again is showing the price that we set. Without selecting an attribute, we would not be able to proceed. So this is a very good feature which helps us, give the customers the option, the kind of product they want to purchase, and we can manage the stocks of each product as well. Now let me add one more combination here. Now that we have added the colors, let us add the size as well. For that, what I will do is I will go to the attributes tab here, which is below the products tab. Here is the attributes tab, which is there. Just click on that. We can see the color attribute has already been added. Now I will add a size attribute to it. I can use a slug as a size. Enable archives. You can select this option if you want to. And I'll just click on add attribute. As soon as we do that, we can see the size attribute here. And now we can configure the terms inside the size attribute. So one size would be large, slug can be large. Slug is nothing but the URL, okay, which represent that thing. We can make it more SEO friendly. We can add here terms like description, which is SEO friendly, which has keywords. We can leave it as it is as well. Does not make a lot of difference there. Just Excel, and I'll just name it extra large, and I'll add the new size. So let's work with these two attributes now. Now that we have added the attributes, we can just refresh this page, and we can go here and we can look at the variations. The variations are three, and we can just go to the attributes, and the attribute has just one attribute has been added here. From the drop down, we can select the attribute of size. We'll click on add, and we can use for variation. We can do that, and we'll select both the options, large and extra large, and we can save the attribute. Once this is done, we'll go to the variation tab again, and here we can add the variations of size also. So whether whatever is available, we can save this thing. Alternatively, we can delete all variations. We can delete all the variations which have been set, and we can create new variation out of all the attributes. Okay, so I've just selected create variations from all the attributes, and we'll just select go. So six variations have been added. So what are these six variations? The color blue with large size, color blue with extra large size, color gray with large size, color gray with extra large size, color red with large size, color red with extra large size. Now one tedious task would be to price them individually, which definitely is something which we need to do. So if we have a lot of options in there, then definitely it's a challenge. You'll have to make sure that all the prices have been added there. So I've just added it for large 800. Okay, large should not be very expensive, so I'll just put it as 700. And gray color, we can just again 1200, and maybe 900. 900 again. See, if I'm entering 9,000, it won't allow me to do that because sale price should always be less than the regular price. 1000, and we'll just put it as 500. The large one, we will put it as 1300, and we put it as 650. I'm just randomly putting this. You can definitely put the actual pricing that is there. 1200, and maybe 540. Once this is done, I'll just go back up there and I'll click on update. Now when I refresh this specific product, I've got two options. Not only I need to select the color, I also need to select the size of the product. And depending on that, the price will be displayed. So I can just clear all the options, and I can just select this. So this is how we create a variable product, and it's very useful feature, especially when you are a full-fledged e-commerce website. You're not selling just one type of the product. The variation feature is a very good feature by WooCommerce.